Ngayon, chewy. Ganyan po. Ano? Siyempre, wala natin sa Zakyarn. Where is Maki? So, aga Maki. Ano muna kita sa top. So guys, init lang muna natin yung makina bago tayo umalis. So, our meeting is 2 and it's 1:05. So, yan. 1:05 na ngayon. Tingnan natin sa Waze kung gaano katagal tayo. On the way to. So, yan. So, sabi, typically 15 minutes. So, syempre, hindi tayo maniniwala dun because the traffic is trafficking. Yes. Diba? So, ayan. Let us see. Go. At magpapark pa pala ako doon. So, guys, pag nagpapark sa BGC, usually dapat nag-allot kayo ng 1 hour kasi laging puno. So, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for my car to heat up and then I'm gonna go. Okay guys, so time check. Nakarating tayo sa may pila ng parking. 1:30. So let's see what time tayo makakapasok. As of now, meron tayong 1-2. Pangatlo ako. So, sana before 2, makapasok tayo at makapag-park. Yeah. So, let's wait. Okay guys, we're on second line na. So yeah, let's hope. Bilis lang. So may lumabas. Ako na, mag-first line na ako. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Kuya, go, go, go. Pasok mo niyan. Diba? Kasi hindi tayo patient na person. Lord, mamaya ka na po umulan. Or rather, wag ka na pong umulan. Diba? Love ni Lord yarn. So, ayan. Let's wait. Let's wait and wait. Okay, guys. So, ako na nasa unang pila. So, it's 1:33. So, it's been 3 minutes upon arriving. So, let's see if tayo na next. Just chika, no? Since we're waiting and wala pang lumalabas. So, ang parking rates dito sa BGC. So, nasa 3rd Ave tayo. Crescent South. For the first 3 hours, 50 pesos. Pero yung succeeding hours na 50 pesos na. So, yeah. So, let's hope hindi tayo lumagpas ng 3 hours today. Kasi 2 to 4 siya yung meeting namin para makalipat ako ng ibang party, diba? Kasi yung mahal nun, be. Okay, guys, we're up. Yes! Lord. Thank you, kuya. You're so good. So, sana tayo sumabit sa gata kasi sobrang lapit. Okay, with this, guys. Good afternoon po. Thank you. So, saan siya lumabas, no? Saan siya lumabas? Bakit dito? So, let's see. Saan tayo magpa-park? Oh my God, saan siya lumabas? I don't see any space. Oh, there. I think it's there. It's there. I think I like this parking spot kasi mabilis lumabas here. So, katabi natin yung Junior ko, be. So, let's go. Wala tayong mabangga. Mukhang mamahal. Parehas. Okay guys, we are parked successfully. So ayan, let's see. Tingnan natin kung nasan ang mga kasama natin today, di ba? Kasi mamay wala pa pala sila. I'm charging. Dito na ako sa sakyan nag-charge. If you know, you know. Di ba? So let's message boss. Boss, nasa BGC na kayo. Okay. So ayun, so one thing, so kailangan yung itabi yung parking ticket kung ayaw yung mabengba, di ba? So usually naman, kapan exit naman siya. Okay. Galing ngayon mamaya pagbaba. So, love it. I love my setup. Tignan natin. Pakita natin sa inyo. Kami magtamanin na pa siya. Tap me ganyan. So, ayan guys. So, sinetup ko siya ng hindi windshield para kahit bumaba. Diba? Brainy. Sobrang brainy. See. Is it okay to call them to follow up? I think so. Kasi last week pa yun eh. And, sila naman nagbigay ng number nila. So, I think okay lang. Yes. So, guys, time check. It's 1:42. 15 minutes. So, it's like 3-minute walk. And then, akit na lang ako. So, yeah, I think. Yeah, balikan ko kayo guys later. Baka mahaba na to, hindi ko na alam paano ko i-edit, diba?
For Greater Network Tournament, 3 choices for early overseas expansion.
Scan the QR code.
Yes, please.
Ano na ba? Hindi na. Live na.
And then if you want some water or coffee.
So guys, magtutur kami ng TikTok na karabang.
First time kami dito, guys.
So, yan. Rich, di ba? Parang bago kami dito. Parang hindi kami nag-shoot dito last week, ganyan.
We're interested.
Interested. Okay guys, meeting is done. Actually, maraming naganap. Nag-alignment lang din kami, ganyan. So, ngayon lang natapos. And it's, ano oras na? Time check, no? Favorite yung time check. I think it's 4:48. So, yeah. Punta tayong uptown BGC. Doon tayo tatambay. All of tambayin there. So, yeah. Ito na. Close up. Car. Ouch! Okay. Okay, guys. So, to context to what happened today. Wow. So, bali, my 2 to 4 is all about TikTok live business onboarding. Parang ganon. But, hindi pa naman kami nag-onboard. We just had a workshop sa, ano ba ang meron sa TikTok live. So, hindi naman na kami bago sa TikTok live kasi we're handling TikTok shop ganyan. So, yeah, mainit na yung sasakyan. So, let's go. Let's live this kasi mukhang 100 na yung babayaran ko. Ow! So, diba? So, yung parking ko kasi exit agad. Hindi ko na kailangan ng... I love that. I love that for me. Okay. So, 12-minute ride. So, let's hope for the best. Thank you. So, we are moving. Oh, it's one way, you know. Ito, ba't ko napakalimbaw ba to? Ano naman tong wings na to? It's giving me headache. So, yun. Oh. Now, I'm in BGC, but I don't know what to eat. What should I eat? So, dahil nag-sugar ako today, I need to eat very, very light meal. Since nagpapating na talaga. Pating? Pala mo naman nag-diet. Well, let's see kung saan ko kayo dadalhin guys. Okay? Hi guys, wala akong idea sa kakainin. So, baka tutambay na lang muna ako sa BGC. And baka mag-pasta na lang nila ako or bread. So, yeah. So, as you can see, nahihiya-hiya pa po ako na magsasalita ako sa lang tao. Kasi, well, kayo. Ito na, tara ka BGC. Nang Starbucks pala. Sa BGC na ako eh. Well, okay. So, forget. I think I'll get the Spanish chorizo. Spanish chorizo na lang. And then I think I got gelato. Because Netflix na kanina. Something moon. I'll get the Spanish chorizo sandwich. Yes, for here. And ito lang. Okay. Okay. So, wala tayo po. Ano? Tayo nakapagsigil.
Forget about our trouble. That's something I can't lose. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Defense. Question, would you do the same for me?
Ano kaya lang?
May mga nakapark ka naman. Nagigigil na naman ako. Park ka sa bunso, no? Itagasala tayo ng gate today. Kahit ako kayo naglalakad today, galing ko. Hindi ko na kayo nito, kasi nandito na kayo rin. No parks. Kuya kayo. Kanino ba yan? Diba? Sabi, no parking, bawal pumarada. Ano?